Class 10 Topper Tips to Score Maximum Marks in Mathematics. We all know there are no shortcuts in board examinations. They are supposed to test our knowledge and make us aware of our abilities. So, we need all the possible measures to perform the best we can without finding any shortcuts. Especially, when it comes to mathematics, you need to learn a lot of formulas and practice different types of questions to score 99% marks. It is one of the most crucial subjects in which you can lose good marks due to silly mistakes. So, the best way to be confident in attempting the Class 10 Maths board paper is by practicing and practicing all you can until the last day before examination. Once you are done with your preparation, you can follow the tips given below and save valuable marks. Attempting the paper. Before you can learn how to write the mathematics paper, you must know the basic things to keep in mind while attempting a paper. It will help you stay on track with the exam pattern and avoid all possible distractions and hence, mistakes that you might regret the most. 15-minute hack. Make most of the 15 minutes given before the exam and take a good read of the whole paper. Paper pattern. Read and try to understand the division of sections and marks given in the beginning of the paper. Internal choices. Look for internal choices and mark the questions you think you can answer the best. Sections order. Decide which section you will need to answer first so that you can manage your time best. Stay on track. Keep a look on your watch to stay motivated and keep going. Stay on track. Keep a look on your watch to stay motivated and keep going. Avoid supplementary information. You only need to solve the questions. So, avoid adding information more than needed. Good handwriting. Your answers are of no use if they are not legible. So, make sure you don't rush into writing all the answers. Number the questions. Never forget to add the correct numbering of questions. Otherwise, it does not leave a nice impression on the paper checker. Dedicate rough workspace. Using a rough space apart from your answer sheet is the best way to do calculations. Revise at the end. Leave some time to analyze the questions for mistakes and read the ones again about which you were unsure. Recheck every calculation. Catching mistakes at the right time takes you a long way to scoring good marks. Check the number of questions. Missing questions can lose you a lot of marks. Make sure that you haven't missed out on any. Take deep breaths. Maths can be an overwhelming subject, so whenever confused, calm yourself down by taking 3 deep breaths. Based tips in mathematics. The SABC Class 10 Mathematics, Code 087, board paper has a wide variation of questions, from time-consuming mensuration problems to statistics and probability, but like most subjects, the mathematics board paper comes with a combination of objective and subjective questions. Here is how you can ensure scoring good marks in each of them while avoiding silly mistakes. Objective questions. The paper will have MCQs, fill in the blanks, SRs, assertion reason, and source-based questions. Do not spend more than 2 minutes per question. So, we need all the possible measures to perform the best we can without finding any shortcuts. In case of case-based MCQs, read every question carefully and then only choose the answer. If you are unsure about the answer in MCQs, follow the rule of elimination to come up with the right option. In case-based questions, give the passage a quick read and understand what is asked. Then you will easily be able to answer the questions on time. You can attempt these within a few minutes of starting the paper. You don't need to add any explanations for these questions, so avoid that. You only need a correct answer to score full marks. If you prefer not to copy the equations, mark each question with correct numbering from the question paper. Short and long answer type questions, SA. This section holds the 2 marks and 3 marks, and 5 marks questions respectively. Write understandable solutions, ensuring good handwriting. Keep the rough workspace limited to a margin on the right side of the answer sheet or to another page. As you copy the required part of the question, keep rechecking the values you write. This may include numbers, signs like minus, decimals, percentage, etc., equations, and more. This is counted as one of the most common mistakes. Underline important answers as you keep solving the whole question. This will help you clarify your answers for revision and to the paper checker. Only write what is asked or necessary. There is mostly no need to write definitions in mathematics. Unit representation mistakes. An important thing for the mathematics exam is correct unit representation is a must. You must always write the units in the correct format as directed in the CBSE guidelines. Given are some examples. Length, cm, m, km, instead of cms, mms, ms, kilometers. Area square centimeter, square meter, square kilometer, instead of cm, m, km. Volume cubic centimeter, cubic meter, cubic kilometer, instead of m, km. Speed and mass kilometer per hour, kg, g, instead of km, hour, kgg, gs. Revise at the end, leave some time to analyze the questions for mistakes and read the ones again about which you were unsure. Now best of luck for your exam.